one bouncing off the rim. Martel with a running start. Martel. Oh, great dump pass inside for the first 2 points. Wala pa rin puntos ang Biñan so far.
This has been some sort of a trademark for Biñan. These slow starts, but such a...
And he is still young, only 31 years old. Ito si Mactalio. Average in double figures last season.
Who might just be the spark they've been waiting for. The focus now, keep pushing through and aim for a spot in the play-in and playoffs. We're getting there. Coach,
they will integrate si Warren Bonifacio into their lineup.
Well, you know, no game is going to be easy, but Ronnie, very sure. Are you referring to Mr. Javi Palanya?
I'm not gonna speak on behalf of Mr. Palanya. Ito, Lastimosa floats. 44 left.
Hindi ko alam anong senyas ni Coach Junti kasi tira daw eh. Si Mac ba yung sinasabihan niya na itira niya na? That's Carlo.
To 6, Alonte, sasaksak. Ran into a brick wall. That's named J.R. Quinyagan. Pat nandoon si Waray Kimpaya na biyayaan. Talio gets to the paint. Gets it back after the miss. By Tiong recovers. Quinyahan, elbow jumper. Pretty much automatic. Atak mo na naman ng Cebu dito. Mactalio in transition. Kick out pass. Manzo. June Manzo slithers his way.
Playing high-level games.
Baseline drive ni Roa Curva. Laban kay Roa Curva. Talio sa kanan ulit. Laban kay Peña Redondo. Puts it up and puts it in. 2 left here in the first period. Talio with a great anticipation. And then the outlet papunta kay John Hamon. Shooting, hindi one-on-one.
One-on-one din. Kasi hindi rin sila makalaro ng 5-on-5 eh.
Pinoy Sakuragi.
We're seeing the struggles that have been evident in the last few games. Hirap sila
Pido, joined by Maestre, Pingres, Roa Curva, and Peña Redondo. Roa Curva thought about it, attacks. 3-point shot from Meneses. Thought he got fouled.
Well, he got too casual there.
Roa Curva binitbit.
At his deadliest best pag tumatakbo in transition.
8-0 run to begin the quarter for Biñan. And they're the worst team in terms of giving up the ball at 17.8 turnovers a game. Manzo off that pass from Mactalio score.
Automatic talaga bump every time you cut dito sa MPBL. Lalo na pag Biñan na more of a defensive-minded team.
Pingris, hook shot, gets the friendly bounce.
Basketball.
Quinyahan attacking the closeout of Mark Pingris and get off the curl. Peña Redondo. Popping out is Subido. They go down low at the post. Subido lines it up for free. That's his second. Another steal by Mactalio. Fast break attempt. Talio, no foul. Desiderio there for the cleanup.
There to clean it up for the greats.
34-23. Subido. Long 3-point shot. Another.
Just not able to get the end result that he wanted.
Roa Curva. Tight pass. Maestre able to score in the interior.
It's a struggle to stay in front of Kenny Roger Rocaforva. You need help. That time, Maestre makes them pay, but Kuya,
diba?
Oo, tama. They ended up with Abra.
This is John Hamon who scores.
And that includes a 4 of 8 clip from beyond the arc, Ken. And that's because of Renzo Subido's hot shooting here in the second quarter.
Getting to his spot, Paul Des.
In particular because of the absence of June Manzo.
Meneses gets the friendly bounce. Ronnie Alonte and Carlo Lastimosa. The 5 on the floor for Biñan. Carlo Lastimosa floats in the air. And
that double clutch attack to the cup. Ganda ng galaw na yan para kay Carlo. Batang-bata.
Ganda naman ng pasa doon. Mactalio. Alonte on the left side. Bounce pass to Hernandez. Bido. Pull up jumper is Bunny.
Able to step into that jumper that he's so comfortable taking.
Kinyahan like clockwork. 11 points ang lamang ng Binyan. Ryle Meca laban kay Ronnie Alonte. Meneses, Kinyahan at the elbow again has found the range. It over. Fast break opportunity for the guys in white. Meneses, Talio off the glass, no. Meneses again with the putback. But can't convert. Hontiveros in transition. Meneses making quite an impact. The pass to Ryle Meca. Basket at work. Gets it back. Nasupalpal ni Mark Meneses.
Meneses has been all over the floor here.
Peña Redondo finally winning that one.
Right, back to you guys.
Boy, at the moment, Cebu playing inspired basketball. Lead down to 3, 52-49. Peña Redondo has hit.
Galing kay Peña Redondo.
Pasa ulit. Oh, Joseph Peña Redondo with 6. Mark Meneses. Right now, Cebu playing without a natural point guard, but nonetheless, J.R. Kinyahan for Cebu. Montiveros. Another badly executed pass. And Roca Curva is free on the other side. Too strong. Raimundo will settle it down for Binyan. Maestre swing pass. Roca Curva fires a free. It's good. Meca trying to keep in step with him. Joseph to Pamboy.
I'm surprised they have not utilized Boom Boom Tampos in this game.
Oh.
What a finish.
Pamboy gets it back from Maestre. Bagsak silang dalawa ni Mactalio. Pamboy, kick out. Lastimosa. 3-point shot. Knocked down. Maestre. Mactalio the rebound off that air ball. Hamon steps into a free. Then Kinyahan. Turnovers. Binyan with 2 more. John Hamon makes his move. Silky smooth jump. Hand off to Roca Curva. Binabantayan ni Mark Meneses. 10 on their shot clock. Roca Curva attacks. Flinders is one for greatness. Tatlay nga lang yung free throw. Kinyahan, quick catch and shoot. Drills it in. Ibigan ng bola napunta kay Lian Martel. Talio pushing it. Kinyahan. Laban kay Mark Pingris. Puts it in. Ganun ha. Usapang edad tayo ha. Mactalio. No good. Meneses. That's a goaltend, although they just count
The theme of this team right now. Already his career high at 22 points.
Kinyahan backing down. Gimpayan. Oh boy, lays it up and in. Down low. Kinyahan is sprinting down the floor. JR stops on the dime and scores! Pass got stolen away. Raimundo to Roca Curva. Baseline drive. Kenny. Pingris. Wala. Gimpayan there for the stick back. It came both times here in the 4th. Actually has 10 assists. And now he comes away with it. Talio, the pass to Meneses. Give and go. Meneses swoops in and scores!
I'm fine with that shot from John Hamon. He usually makes those shots.
Lastimosa. Libre for the free. And a
Lamang ang Cebu.
but a big time shot earlier by Carlo Lastimosa. 4-point lead for Binyan. Kinyahan with 28! 77-75.
He was well defended and the shot clock was winding down there as well.
6 seconds left. Lastimosa backs it in!
Here.
Desiderio, Martel, Kinyahan for 3. Good! Martel to Desiderio, they have a chance. But Roca Curva with a big stop. Wow!
Boy, did he wish he was playing right now. Turned out to be a classic game.
Although it will prolong the game, is commit a lane violation, but he hits it.
He makes it.
John Hamon. that's gonna do it. Boy, what